most of the time you incidentally touch some button and your talkback is on, and of course sometimes it's bothering, but sometimes you need those features. So let's see how we can turn it off or turn it on. So when you just go in the screen or something, so just you have to use your two finger to swipe up or down to open the menu. So when you're in the menu, just click whatever the icon you want. So when you click, so you have to select first and then double tap, so you get into this thing. So just if you want to go scroll down, so you have to use your two fingers, not the one, otherwise it won't go up and down. So when you just go use your two fingers up and down, it will bring you to the different menus. So just simple go here, accessibility. Again, you have to touch, wait, and just double tap here. It will get into that menu. So when you go to that menu, look at this. So on third one, just tap here, Talkback, and this lady keep speaking, keep telling me where I'm touching or where I'm just whichever option I'm selecting. So just go here, Talkback. So just double tap, and then it will show you this thing. So when you do the double tap here, allows you to turn off. Again, one click and double. So now it's Talkback is off. You can just do simple, and if you want to turn it back for some reason, so just go simple, go into the setting, accessibilities, you'll find Talkback and turn it on. Thank you.